Hello, my name is Joanne McKibbin and I'm a Master Trainer in the Think on Your Feet course. In this session, I'm going to talk about what Think on Your Feet is, why you should attend, and what the course covers. So to start off with, what is Think on Your Feet? Think on Your Feet is a communications course which helps you get your message across with clarity, brevity and impact. With clarity, you're clear in your own mind what you want to say, but more importantly, you're clear for your listener. Brevity. Less is more. We want to cut the waffle and get to the point and focus on what's key. And finally, with impact, we want to make our message impactful for our listener to make sure you're memorable. So why should you attend Think on Your Feet? Think on Your Feet prepares you to sound like the expert you are when you have no time to prepare. It prepares you for the situations where you're put on the spot. You get a question, you say, blah, and then you walk away and think, oh, why didn't I say that? I guess many people can identify with that feeling. So Think on Your Feet helps you say what you want to say when you want to say it, not 5 or 10 minutes later. It prepares you to be off the cuff, to get to the point quickly, and most importantly, to sound like the expert you are when you have no time to prepare. So what does Think on Your Feet cover? Think on Your Feet is a tools-based course which introduces you to a variety of different plans to help you get your message across on the spot. We cover 6 core plans to package your persuasion, 6 different ways to help you add structure to your message when you have no time to prepare. Secondly, we cover 4 support plans to flesh out your ideas. 4 different ways to help you add content to your message in a very creative but structured way. And finally, we practice. The only way to learn the Think on Your Feet tools is to do them. And so we do lots of different exercises throughout the course to help you cement the learning so that you can apply the tools as soon as you return to work. And we have a lot of fun along the way. So in this short video, I've shared with you what Think on Your Feet is, why you should attend the course, and what the course will cover. We're very much looking forward to meeting you and sharing the concepts of this exciting course with you. Thank you for your time.